This video will help you define your neighborhood and to put the 5 steps to neighborhood preparedness in action. Defining your neighborhood can be a challenge. Is it the whole zip code, school zone, subdivision, street? How big is it really? All these questions can be simply answered. It is up to you. Let's talk to some local residents to see how they decided. Rob, how did you define your neighborhood?
The people on our floor decided that our neighborhood is our 4 apartments. We got together to exchange the numbers, and we are working on our plan.
Excellent. Now let's see what Oscar did to plan for his neighborhood.
My wife and I moved here 3 months ago and only knew a few people in our immediate block. It turns out they already had a plan for our block and the next, and have 10 homes. Our next step is to bring our plan to the Homeowners Association and try to involve them.
Wow, that is incredible. See what happens when you get to know your neighbors? Martina, how did you define your neighborhood?
Our subdivision is fairly new and spread out. It seems like people are often out of town. So for right now, our neighborhood is just my family and the folks right across the street. As we're able, we hope to add more families from our community.
That's good to hear. Emergency planning takes time, and getting participation can sometimes be difficult. But getting to know your neighbors is the most important step. Depending on your situation, your neighborhood could be 2 apartments or 100 houses. Defining your neighborhood is up to you. Once you define your neighborhood, the next steps are recruit leaders, scout your area, build your team, and plan your approach. Remember, you are not alone, so ask us a question or request a presentation. We are happy to help you get started.